we celebrate the birthday party of who? Sino? Boo! Ayan, nasa whiteboard si ate mo. Okay, magkanta tayo ng happy birthday song, okay? Sige, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, go! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Okay, to all. Lahat tayo, okay? Yang pinakamalakas, yang pasas na. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Ate Bu! Okay, but before that, who wants to play a game? Oh, ayan. Who wants to play a game? Ayan, napaka-energetic ng mga bata. But before that, okay, dito sa McDonald's, sinasabi namang Mac ready na. For example, sige ha, together with your right hand up, okay? Mac ready na kayo! And together you say, Mac ready na! Okay, again. Sige ha, sabayan niyo ako. Sige, sabayan niyo ako. Sige. Ano kayo? Okay, Mac ready na kayo! Mac ready na! Okay, again, yung pinakamalakas. Okay, Mac ready na kayo! Energy. Okay, but before that, I want the, okay na sa inyo, ma'am, na together with them, maglaro sila ng game, so assist them. Okay na, thank you po, because today, we will play imaginary fishing rod. Sino yung hilig mag-fish dito? Sino yung mag-fish? Oh, yun si Ate Alpia. Ano yung hinuhuli mo na isda? Bangus mo! Ang sarap-sarap ng bangus! Okay, dito sa McDonald's, nilalaro na ng fishing rod. It is imaginary fishing rod. Okay? The mechanics of the game is, all you have to do is to connect the straw. Okay? Pababaan lang. But I need 2 partners. Yung close friend ba ninyo or si ate ba? Ate, okay lang ba? Then tayo mag-join tayo sa kanila to connect the straw. To help each other, okay? Find your partner. Go. So, find your partner. Ayan, find your partner. Ayan. Dalawa. Kayo ate. Si kuya, doon ka kay kuya na tangin. Ayan. Doon ka. Dito ka kuya. Ano name kuya? Shelo at si kuya. Okay, dito kayo. Okay. So kids, dito sa straw, just connect lang hanggang paabaan kayo. Kung sino yung mananalo, siya yung bibigyan ng prize si Kuya Jong. Okay? Okay, kids? Okay ha? I give you 2 minutes na mabubuo ninyo ito. Ano yun? 2 minutes. 2 minutes lamang. Madalian ko magbuo. Okay, kids? Ma'am, ready ba kayo?
Ma'am, ready na!
Gusto ko yung mga lalaki. Ma'am, ready ba kayo?
Ma'am, ready na!
Okay. Yan. Sige, kids. Two minutes lang ha? 2 minutes lang. Okay, start now. Buhay na ito. Buhay. Connect. Ayan. Okay. I give you 2 minutes. Start from now. Go. Hurry up. Go. Ayan. Buhay. Okay. Connect. Assistant sa kanila po. Ayan. 20 seconds. Go. Hurry up.
Oh, yan.
Ayan. Tinutulungan niya ni Mami, ni Daddy. Ate. Go. Ayan, kids. Connect lang ng ulit. And now it's 1 minute and 20 seconds. and 5 seconds. Go! That's mine. Excellent. Let's go.